When was this matter transferred?
Za movie. Even Uhuru Park inaanza by 8. Wameenda live. Try to tell them that they don't understand. A live event is the totality of as it starts until it ends. God only wait for that part. Natakuja 1 minute. You've lost. Okay. Morning, my Lord. In petition number 748, may I be placed on record. My name is Dan Sanumari, together with Mr. Stanley Kinyanjui, for the petitioners.
Good morning, my Lord. I am present.
Any other council? Morning, my Lord. There was a lady council.
Good morning, Your Lordship. Mr. Ramana, I would wish to come on record for the first and third respondents.
Yes.
Good morning, my Lord.
Morning.
My name is Wawero. I appear for the second respondent.
Thank you. Any other council?
Good morning, my Lord. My name is Karaoke for the prospective 8 and 9 interested parties.
I can't place your record. Is there an application?
Yes, Your Honor, we have filed, we have put in a formal application.
Have you put it?
Yes, we have filed and also served.
So I place you as applicant.
Yes, Lord. Yes, my Lord.
Any other council? Yes, Mr. Omari.
My Lord, I wish to bring to the attention of the court that we are in physical court with over.
Chambers council. Let's take directions. Yeah.
Very well. My Lord, what is coming up before you?
The matter is for directions.
Yes, it's coming for directions. For the application dated 14th. Yes, we did serve and filed an affidavit of service dated the 17th of November, 2025.
Sworn on which day?
It was sworn on the same day and filed on the same day.
Which day is this?
17th of November, 2025.
Ms. Granano?
Yes, indeed, Your Lordship, I confirm that service was effected upon the office on 17th November 2025. We have not yet put in our responses. We are seeking more time to put in the responses, Your Lordship. 14 days to be precise.
Mr. Wawero?
Yeah, my Lord, we were served yesterday. I've only managed to file our notice of appointment this morning. We'll be requesting for 14 days to file our response. My Lord, it's important that we notify this court. There is a similar matter which is pending before Honorable Justice Mugambi. This is petition number E652 of 2025. And the matters being canvassed are similar.
Petition.
Petition numbers E652 of 2025. This is Ezekiel Oyugi and another versus Nairobi City County Government, and 22 others.
When is the matter coming up next?
Coming up on the 26th of January next year. My Lord, Mr. Omari appears for the present petitioners who are respondents in that matter. He appears for the 7th, the 8th.
Just a minute. Appears
for the 7th, the 8th, the 9th.
Appears for the present petitioners who are
who are the 7th, the 8th, the 9th,
7th,
8th,
8th,
9th,
9th,
11th,
11th,
12th.
up to where? If they are sequential.
There is, they are quite broken, my lord. So the next one is 15.
Why don't you tell me 15,
17,
17,
19,
19,
21, and 23, my lord.
and 23rd?
Yes, my lord.
Who are respondents? Huh?
Yeah, they are responding in that matter, my lord.
Let me understand you. These parties are petitioners here,
Yes, my lord.
but you say they are respondents in the matter before my brother.
Yes, my lord.
They have been sued there.
Yes, my lord.
Who is the petitioner?
The petitioner are the applicants who are being represented by the firm of Dumano and Company Advocates. They are the proposed 8th and 9th interested parties.
So the interest parties here, some of the interest parties here are petitioners in the other court.
Yes, my lord, and some of them are also respondents. Like EBRA is now a respondent in the other. It's an interested party in the other petition, but in this one is a respondent.
Okay. The court has given directions in that matter?
But my lord, we have a mention on the.
Has the court given directions in that matter?
I'm not on record in that one, but however, yes, directions were issued on the 13th of October, where the court directed that the responses be filed within 14 days after service.
Okay.
Then
That's okay.
mentioned
That's okay.
further directions on the 26th of January, my lord.
That's okay. That's okay. Mr. Kariuki?
My lord, I do confirm what my
Just
colleague.
tell me you are an applicant.
My lord, very well.
You have
we
an
have done-
application?
Yes, we have a formal application dated
Dated when?
18th November 2025,
Seeking?
seeking that Ezekiel Oyugi and John Karu,
Some
He
parties?
yes, we made 8th and 9th interested parties.
And interest parties here.
Yes, in this current petition.
Those parties, these applicants are in which matter?
They petitioners in petition 652, 2025, which my colleague has alluded to before Justice Mugambi.
652 of 25.
2025, before Justice Mugambi. And Your Honor, our application also seeks consolidation under Rule 17.
You know, now you're asking me so many things. You first come as a party. You know, you are an interest party here. If I join you.
Very well, my lord.
No, we do one thing at a time.
Very well.
So, that petition has the judge given directions.
Yes, my lord. We have annexed the same in our application.
Okay, I'm placing this file aside to have a discussion because you are in that matter, Mr. Omar is in that matter. So, unajuana.
My lord, could I, my lord, before you,
Wait, sema mnajuana kwa njia nyingine, mnajuana kwa sababu you are both acting, appearing in that matter, in that context, which means you have listened to what I'm saying first. I'll give you an opportunity to say what you wanted to say. It means you have contact of your contacts. I don't know whether Ms. Kiramana, you want to join that discussion. I want you people to discuss what you want us to do. And I mentioned the other matters I'm coming back to.
my lord, could I only respond in 1 minute? The others have given you their version.
You know, I will come there. There is also something I want to check, Mr. Mali.
Much obliged, my lord.
He tells me that you also represent some of parties in that matter. That's not contested, is it?
It's not contested, it's true.
Fine. He also tells me that some of these people who want to come here as interest parties are actually petitioners in the other party.
They are the petitioners.
They are parties. Whatever
Yes.
capacity, they are parties in that matter.
Yes.
Let's have a discussion.
My lord, if I can also allow me only to bring to this attention.
I'll come back to you. I've just said, have a discussion. I'm coming back to you.
Much obliged.
Most obliged, my lord.
I'm conscious there is already a matter before my brother. That's not disputed.
My lord,
Some of them are parties in that matter.
there's a difference, my lord, in those two matters.
I will come to that. Whatever difference it is, there is a petition. Parties here are parties there. So I'll come back to that. To you people, I give directions in the matter. Let me mention the other matters.
Much obliged.
Petition 464.
You know, the other party has not given notice to Makoti.
Ndio?
Chief guest. Wamenuanga tikiti.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Nyabere alinunua yake Friday. Tunaenda kukaa na yeye.
Has Mr. Kuria served you with submissions?
No, my lord, I do not say. I've checked my documents again. I don't have Mr. Kuria's submissions. That's why I was a bit taken aback by submission by counsel. Assuming this again, it is not informed of the consent which Mr. Kuria himself originated the draft.
Is there a response? So, okay, I can see his file submissions, his final response. He did not observe you. You say you originated a consent which you commented on. So you have not been served with the response?
I have the response, my lord. I have Mr. Kuria's response.
You have not been served with submissions?
Submissions, my lord.
So, what do you take now?
I take it, my lord, that if Mr. Kuria is ready to proceed with the highlighting of submissions, then perhaps my assumption is that he's abandoning the consent, or not having had the chance to review his submissions. In order to request 2 or a few days to go through the submissions and be ready to highlight the same the date your lordship gives us. Perhaps Mr. Kataka will then have also filed his submissions.
Mandawangara anachukiwa.
Bado Sophia anang'ang'ana naye kama mmoja.
Sote ndio.
So this matter is taken out of the consent one. The submissions have not been served. The interest party has proceeded to file their submissions. So the interest party granted for to file the submissions, highlighting without interest on the way the end negotiations not have succeeded.
Also serve and send it. Send it as fast to speed. Yes, let's send it to you. Send it as fast to speed. Any other cousin?
Say something.
So, naangalia kwa hii kesi yenu ni namba ngapi? Unfortunately, I don't have the persist.
Okay, no, namba ile because namba gani?
052 of 2025. Ilitumwa it was transferred from
I don't have a fan. In case it got transferred, nasikia inakuwa system inabadilika. Kesi inaonekana hapa, ikionekana hapa inakuja, tunaipatia tarehe. Sijaona file kutoka na kutoka it's like it just on the action it checks. Now it's okay. Check it yesterday. So nasikia unaitwa nani? Now laba hata sahihi kwa system sioni kesi kutoka na kule kesi naona habari, naona juzi na jana imetoka Thika. Hapa ilikuja hapa naona kesi kutoka Thika ambayo tumepatia namba sasa. Hiyo inapatiwa na tu automatic, so kuna kesi kutoka na
Kwa hiyo naona shule.
Kindly requesting you to highlight the submissions next week. Once the Matatu.
Alianza. Labda hii ndio
Ngoja.
Mwambie wakati ya vile
tell us what you want.
Wakili, Madhewangara walikuwa wangapi? Wameachiliwa. Walikuwa wangapi? 2 suspects ama walikuwa mmoja? Hiyo kesi ya Madhewangara. Ni Madhewangara peke yake. Thank you.
Aroko alikuwa 105.
Nani? Aroko.
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 Tunaona hapa pretty good.
Yeye amepigwa fine.
Na ya IBC.
Na nani mwingine akiwa na hiyo kijana?
Si walipiga vita ile.
Mbona tunafaa tumuulize why the devils lakini atakuwa vexed.
Aroko bondi wewe. Jared nimesikia akiwa na ice spirits. Ako na furaha sana. Kama kuna hiyo.
Naongea na ile.
Naongea na something ni sababu. Amenipigia na anipigianga na nipigianga kama amekasirika zaria na furaha.
Mambo si.
It's quite happy.
Yote that.
Mpaka ananiuliza kama hujakuja kusaidia kampeni.
Alienda kampeni.
Amekuwa kufanyia nani kampeni.
Aroko.
Yeye ndo kasanda Aroko. Anasema hana doa.
Okay, we will proceed from 11:30 because I have these other matters that place last time. So log in at 11:30. Mr. Kirimi.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Did you have a conversation?
Your Lordship, I wish to apologize. I've not managed to reach out to my colleagues. When I was addressing the court, Your Lordship, I encountered problems with my gadget and my network, and I was switched out of the platform. I made several calls to the office of the AG and the office of the EACC, but now the switchboard would not direct them to my colleagues. So I would request if my colleagues they could just air out they are taking my prayers. What I'm just requesting is, Your Honor, Your Lordship is just to be granted a reasonable opportunity to read our application.
Ni wawili wako kwa
When
ni wawili wamebaki.
maybe my colleagues can have a
Yes.
on that.
Na Aroko
And I
atachukua.
do not prejudice them.
Lakini mama Gladys Wanga wins. Sasa ballot papers.
ODM will give the opposition. Must ensure.
But naye nani Aroko ni mati.
What
is true that there is petition in
6 Ezekiel Oyugi. That petition, the petitioners are in that petition, my lord. The petitioners are Ezekiel Oyugi and John Carew. And John Carew. As W. As citizens suing government agencies, being Nairobi City Government,
suing as public interest litigants.
As public interest litigants.
Yes.
They have sued Nairobi City government, county government.
See, Mr. Omari, that information I can get.
Yes, only to differentiate.
No. You know, what you think is a differentiation. Is Nairobi not a respondent here?
Well,
it's not a party here.
They are a part in this matter.
It doesn't matter in what capacity they appear there.
Very well, my lord.
You see, what I want to know, they have come out as public interest litigants.
Yes.
They are litigating on behalf of Kenyans.
Yes.
Your clients included.
Yes, my lord.
Give me a minute. Is 652. Ezekiel. Just let me see the petition. So I have the pleadings in this matter, Mr. Omari.
Yes, my lord.
Yuki and Karu have sued Nairobi City County, Total Energies, Ola Energy. Ola Energy appears twice. And then there's so many other bankers here.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Which include some of your clients.
Yes, my lord.
Then Enema is an interested party.
Yes, my lord.
EPRA is an interested party, right?
Yes, my lord.
In this petition, in the petition before us, EPRA is a respondent.
Is actually the respondent who has issued.
Is a respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Let's stick to our questions.
Yes, my lord.
Nema is a respondent.
Yes, my lord. No. It is the county government and EPRA and the AG.
Nema is not a party.
It is not a respondent in our petition before you.
Is it a party?
No.
this petition, I'm looking at the background, raises concerns about the environment. Yes?
Yes, my lord.
So they're accusing the first interest party of failing to act.
Yes.
So this petition seeks to restrain mainly your clients to cease operations at petrol stations.
That is true.
I'm looking at the main prayer. So really that is the point. The rest of the prayers are consequential to that. And this petition is dated 7th of October, right?
That's true, my lord.
So your clients participate in that case defending their position.
We filed our defense, yes. I reply.
Well, defending your position. I'm being
Very well.
brief
Yes, my lord.
so that I do not get involved in the other matter.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, in this petition, give me this petition. I have the readings. In this petition, okay, in the other matter, they are saying those there are people here include agencies which have failed to protect the environment.
Yes, true, my lord.
Now, what are you saying in your petition here? I'm headed to the petition. Don't answer. I'm looking. I'll look for it myself.
Yes, my lord.
Your petition you are saying, I'm looking at your, again, background information. They have been lawfully operating public service vehicles at those parking stations, or petrol stations, right?
True, my lord.
There is a notice that issued cease operating from those petrol stations, right?
Right, my lord.
Raising concerns over environmental concerns.
Yes,
right?
yes, my lord.
And then we are now saying, looking at paragraph 10, implementation of these directives threatens to disrupt the petitioner's business operations.
True, my lord.
Okay. So, what are you asking? We nullify that declaration, that directive as unconstitutional, and now.
My lord, you have hanged. The court has hanged, my lord. Internet imepotea, so we'll have to wait. Saini ya
hope you are back.
Yes, Judge, we are back.
Yeah, so how do we proceed in view of the two petitions, Mr. Mari?
My Lord, the first petition is completely different from this one. My petition before you, it is targeted to EPRA that has given an eviction notice to cease operations immediately. If that notice...
So who is EPRA in the other petition?
He is an interested party. He's a second interested party.
Now, that's okay. EPRA is a party in the other matter.
As an interested party, we can't seek orders against him.
Mr. Mari, I'm avoiding so many words.
Very well, my Lord.
It doesn't matter.
Very well,
It's
my
a party.
Yes, my Lord.
And that petition, we've just gone over the facts, 6 directions and orders that certain bodies should act. In fact, your class should cease operating from petrol stations.
That is true.
Now, this petition says then the directive that they cease operating from petrol stations is unconstitutional.
It is, according to our plan.
So, yes. So if one were to be look at it openly, without biases, this petition responds to that petition.
To as much as they put it, not after a notice of vacation has been issued.
No. Mr. Mari, you know, I know you represent a client. I'm trying to be open-minded.
Thank you, my Lord.
The other people say operating these things, matatus or whatever, public service transport within petrol stations is an environmental hazard. Putting it different.
That's the way they say, my Lord.
You are saying now these people who have been sued are saying, clients who are respondents in that petition are saying, now we have been served with a notice. This notice is unconstitutional.
Very well.
So these two petitions, looking at it and again with an open mind, are similar. One is actually counter the other.
I agree, my Lord.
Because EPRA is a party in the other petition, interest party, if you like. EPRA is a respondent here. Some of the petrol stations are respondents here, right?
Very well, my Lord.
Your clients who are petitioners here are respondents in the other petition.
Some, yes, my Lord.
For use of economic use of resources, these petitions should be heard together, if at all.
I totally agree. I'm not refusing. Save that, how do we deal with protecting the subject matter?
That's what I wanted you people to discuss out there. Did you have a discussion?
No, my Lord, I didn't get a chance to talk to my colleagues.
You know, you take the position that there is, your clients need to conduct their businesses. That's agreed. The other people say we need to protect the environment. That's again okay, isn't it?
That is true, my Lord.
How do we balance the two?
My suggestion...
That's what I wanted you people to agree, and then we see which way to go. Because this case has to go to that court.
My Lord, my suggestion is that if this court, the trial court we are today, can issue a temporal reprieve and
We can't because the question you want us to stop is a question that is already challenged. I mean, the action you want us to protect is challenged in the other court. You agree?
my lord, then, unless this file is placed...
Let me try to simplify the issue. The protection you seek here is challenged in the other matter, right?
Yes.
So we have to balance the two. You say you have a right to conduct your business, that's right. The other people say they have a right to protect the environment, that's right. Both of you are correct. So this requires a balancing act. How do you sit together with those in the other matter and come up with a solution as we wait for the resolution of this case? I'm throwing it back to you. Because the court will only come in to balance interests. Because your clients are sued there, they know. They have put up a defense there, why they're operating, where they're operating. You have come here, these people need to put up their response, why you should not operate there. So, as we go through the motions, what do we do? Where is Mr. Kariuki? If I collected that there was a Mr. Kariuki here.
My lord, I'm here.
You are an applicant, you are the petitioners in the other matter.
Correct, my lord.
I want you to sit down with Mr. Omari, so is Ms. Kiramana, so is Mr. Waweru. We see how to proceed with this matter, because this matter has to go to the other court. And how do we proceed?
I agree, my lord. And, I agree with your position that we need the multi-door approach. However, if you permit me, my lord.
So look here.
Can I say something?
You know, I have not admitted you here, but I'm being magnanimous by allowing you to speak.
Very well, my lord.
Proceed.
My lord, if you look at the notice issued by EPRA, it has no timelines.
Now, I don't want to make a decision on that. But EPRA is represented here, isn't it?
Yes, I was just saying, there's no urgency.
Roger, that's what you say. Why did you go to that court under urgency? Did you go to the other court under urgency?
Yes, my lord.
So why did you go under urgency?
My lord.
Roger, Mr. Community, just answer me. Why did you go to the other court under urgency if there was no urgency?
My lord, I was limited.
Roger, ile shida tuko nayo hapa Kenya.
Yes, my lord.
Na hiyo ni Mwafrika. Mwafrika tuko na hiyo shida. We look at ourselves, not others. Like now you are looking at yourself, your client, not the others. You came under urgency. Now, Mr. Mari has come under urgency. Now you say, Mr. Mari, there is no urgency. Yet you came under urgency yourself.
It is because his is not justified, my lord.
But is yours justified?
Yes, my lord.
Where have you been? That's what he said.
My lord, it's
amesema kwa pleaded. They have always operated from there. Where were you? You were in this country. So urgency didn't come yesterday because they started operating yesterday. So all I'm saying is, avoid looking at ourselves, we forget looking at the others. The question here is very simple. Very, very simple. You want these people out of that place. That's right. Okay?
Yes,
you want to protect the environment. That's the obligation of every person.
And also safety concerns.
Hapa nasema safety hiyo ni mambo ingine. Safety according to who? So let's not add so many things here. Mr. Karik, I'm simplifying the case for the parties. Look at it. These people can move like tomorrow. That's okay. They have come here also saying, protect us. So as we sit here, we look at the two sides. And I said, you are right, they are right. How do we deal with this question? So I'm throwing it back to you. You say there is no timeline for within the, it can happen even tonight.
My lord, if I may.
It would be different if it was saying you are given 7 days, so we would be counting zimebaki ngapi.
My lord, your kind permission.
I'm listening.
My lord, if you look at the notice from April, first of all, it says that the oil marketing companies to conduct an audit,
which could have
then
concluded.
So no one is going to be thrown out.
No, the audit could have been concluded even as we speak.
Very well, my lord.
No, it is a possibility.
My lord, there are tenants there.
It is a possibility, right?
Yes, maybe, my lord, but the way things are done, because they also have respective tenancy agreements or lease agreements. So that will also have.
Those are the things. Those are the things. You know, I'm agreeing with you, Mr. Kariuki, 100%.
Yes.
All I want us to do is, can we try? Those are the issues I want you to discuss with Mr. Mari, Kamana, and the other team.
Very well, okay. We can discuss. We are amenable to the multi-door approach, the administration of justice.
Ms. Kiramana, you have been quiet for long.
Yes, Your Lordship, I've been trying to get your attention, but since we had not had the benefit of participating in that matter, I thought I would let the other councils maybe clarify the issues in this particular
Yes, because these who have been engaged are the petitioners in this court and in the other court. So I really wanted to hear from them. See, now these are competing interests.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And the center is.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So this case can only be heard in the other court, right?
That's for sure, Your Lordship.
Now the issue I want the council in the two petitions, at least in this matter, because I'm happy Mr. Kariuki is in the other petition. And I want this to, I'm taking it back to you. I want you people to sit down and address the question. How do we manage the situation even as we seek to resolve these petitions? Do you agree, Ms. Kramer?
I do agree that we need to discuss. However, Your Lordship, maybe there's something that's not coming out very clearly. The notice by my client was on 23rd July 2025. And we are in November of 2025. If Mr. Omari's clients have not been evicted as we speak, 4 months down the line, 5 months down the line, Your Lordship, I don't think they'll be evicted tomorrow or the day after. It's possible for this matter to go to the other court and get directions on the other court.
That is in January.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I agree with the position. You are taking the position Mr. Kariuki took, and it is true. They have not been evicted. That does not mean they cannot be evicted. Are we together? So the fact that it was issued in May, they have not been affected, does not mean they cannot be. And that does not also mean Mr. Omari's plans must remain there.
That's for sure, Your Lordship.
So the point I want to drive home is we have two competing rights, whether we call them rights or not. Let me call them interests or claims. Two competing claims. How do we address them even as we go to resolve this matter? You understand?
I agree, Your Lordship. I understand.
Now, because the other matter did not require any military measure, Mr. Kariuki, Mr. Is that Mr. Wawel?
My lord, also present, I've been patiently waiting for you to call me.
Utasahaulika, and you are almost. But now I've seen you are here. Let me hear from you, Mr. Wawel.
My lord, I suggest that we have a meeting between
you represent who?
Nairobi City County Government, my lord.
Oh, you are at the center.
My lord, people complain about all this.
You know, you were the ones who complained. I saw that you were complaining.
Complain to Embrace.
I saw. And I say no more. Mr. Wawel, what do you suggest?
Maybe we can give parties 7 days to hold a meeting and see whether we can reach a compromise. That I believe will not be prejudicial to any of the parties. Then we come back to you next week with a position on how to ensure that everybody is comfortable even as we prosecute the two matters.
Thank you. At least you have spoken. Mr. Omari, that's sweet music.
Yes, my lord, save that I have just been served with a letter from Ola. My clients have just been served now a letter from Ola.
No, forget about Ola. Ola is here. Ola, they are listening.
Very well, my lord.
Their party is here.
My lord, we
do not want, when we are in court, we are in court.
Very well, my lord.
Don't start. We are in court and even now with AI. Do I have anyone representing Ola here? I don't want to say anything, Mr. Omari. This matter is in court, so any action should wait.
Thank you, my lord.
Directions. I'm just giving directions so someone cannot come up with a letter and say, move tomorrow. We are still here.
Thank you, my lord.
Let's try and be patient. I hope that letter is not AI generated.
No, my lord, it is Ola, but they have been told to vacate immediately.
Ola can be AI generated. I'm saying I hope it is not.
Very well, my lord.
That's why I'm avoiding thinking it is Ola, because Ola is a party here and Ola is supposed to be taking instructions here. Yes, Ola is second interest party.
It's the second interested party.
Yes. So they are supposed to be here as we navigate this issue. It's not as simple as everyone thinks. It's very easy to write a letter, but enforcing that letter might be a nightmare. So can we be patient? We sort out the mess. I call it a mess because we have allowed it to be there. Where was Nema? Where was Ebra? That's the question you pointed out, your client points out in the background, right?
True, my lord. True, my lord, that is our position.
But that doesn't make you have your clients have a entitlement.
And my lord, will stand guided.
But, so I agree when you are having a meeting. Respondents file and serve responses. the petition and application. How much time do you need, Miss Ramana? Miss Kiramana, how much time?
We will need 14 days to put in our responses to the petition and application.
Respondents and interest parties. 2 was served. Petitioners, we have 14 days. 5 serve. Supplementary affidavit. Okay. Together with submission. Yes. Ready for directions. 26. The other matter is coming up on which day?
My Lord, on 26th of January.
26th of January.
In the meantime, also for the parties, hold a meeting so to address each side's concerns, how amicably solve immediate issues of operations, business, to report back on these 7 days comes to well. First of December. So the directions are the respondents and defense parties. You have 14 days to file your responses to the application and the petition. And once the petitioners are served, they will have 14 days in which to file a supplementary affidavit if need be, together with written submissions. It should not exceed 10 pages. Thereafter, the respondents and interest parties will have 14 days to file their submissions. It should also not exceed 10 pages each. Directions on the matter will be taken on 26th of January before Mugabe J. In the meantime, counsel for the parties do hold a meeting to address each side's concerns on how to amicably resolve the immediate issue of operations of businesses at the petrol stations, to report on report to court on 1st of December. That is, you are coming back for further directions on the issue on 1st of December. I don't see the need to issue any immediate order today, but Mr. Kariuki, Ms. Kiramana, Mr. Waweru, understand that the matter now is before court.
Very well.
Any actions being taken, you should bear in mind there is now direction number 5 that you counsel for the parties meet and resolve the immediate issue of operating businesses by the petitioners in this matter at petrol stations. That is the question we are going to resolve, and I do not expect any one of you to jump the gun and take any precipitate action. Ms. Kiraman, are you there?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You represent public interest in that regard. Thank you. 1st of December, we see what we look like.
My Lord,
we come before you or before Honorable Mugambi?
1st of December, you'll be before me.
My Lord, if I may, today I was addressing you as an applicant. We pray that the applicants be admitted as the 8th and 9th respondents as contained in our formal application.
Kuja hiyo siku. You are Mr. Waweru?
Mr. Kariuki, my Lord.
Yes, Mr. Kariuki, you are a petitioner in the other matter.
Yes, my Lord.
Why does it down and resolve?
Yes.
My Lord.
My Lord, I'm asking that because
I've given direction, I've said all parties, you are a party in the other matter, this matter is that could just go and sit down and resolve. I'll hear the application and make the orders on that.
Yes, I wanted clarification for purposes of
yes.
compliance.
I'll make orders specifically. I can make it clear. You want to become who?
The 8th and 9th interested parties. So Mr. Ezekiel Oguki.
Order. The application dated
18th November 2025.
It's allowed. Ezekiel
Oyugi.
And
8th and John Karu.
Kuna majina mawili peke yake.
John Karu is Karu.
He has only 2 names.
We can get more names, my Lord.
You can get, but you know.
I don't know the other names.
Do we have in this country?
I don't know the other names.
I'm assuming that may not be a Kenyan existing.
They are Kenyans, my Lord. So in my opinion,
they may not be, because I don't think there is a Kenyan with only 2 names.
I am sure they have other names.
Why did you pick the other names? There are so many Oyugis. There are so many Ezekiels.
Yes.
There are so many John Karus.
They're also present in court. They're listening.
I don't know. I'm saying there are so many.
It's true, my Lord.
I hope that sounds something. It's a warning to you.
Yeah, it is.
Hereby joined us into this proceedings as how many do we have here so far? 8th and 9th interest parties, yeah?
Yes, my Lord.
So that application is allowed. So go and sit down now in that capacity and discuss.
Most obliged, my Lord.
My Lord, before you pen off.
Mr. Omari, you know I'm supposed to have started another session.
I'm only requesting that if the court can allow, we appear physically before you.
No. Why physical?
Much obliged.
Why do you want physical here? When I want to go to open a court, I do. You had me ask your colleagues whether you should do it in open court.
Much obliged, my Lord.
These only directions. I don't see what you want us to do in open court.
Much obliged, my Lord.
It has a idea, be honest, Mr. Omari.
My Lord, I have so many, over 300, they will want to hear the judge.
I don't want, I don't have a court that will accommodate 300.
Much obliged, my lord. I hear your directions.
No, does Kenya have a court? Does Kenya have a court that can accommodate your clients?
My lord, I hear your directions.
No. Does Kenya have a court that you know?
No, there is no facility to that effect.
Enda mjenge ndio mtuambie twende wote.
Much obliged, my lord, and have a good day.
There is this petition which was to start at 11.